What's up guys? In this video, I am going to show you an easy way to connect your speaker to your monitor. So over here is my setup, and I have my Lenovo laptop that is being casted to my monitor over here. But whenever I play an audio or like a video on the laptop, it doesn't actually come from the monitor. And the reason is basically because this particular monitor does not have a speaker. And that is why I got this speaker. I also sometimes use my soundbar over here. So sometimes I also connect this soundbar to the monitor just to make sure that sound actually comes out of the monitor. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do this. So basically, to achieve this, you need an aux cable just like this. This is also called a headphone jack because it has one headphone jack over here and another headphone jack over here. So we want to go ahead and plug one end of this aux cable to our speaker and then the other end to the monitor. So if you come over to my speaker over here, you're going to see that it actually has an aux port output over here, but this is actually a bigger output. So I am going to get something like an adapter like this and just add it to the aux cable. In your case, you probably will not need this adapter if your speaker actually has a normal aux port. So once I plug it like this, just for it to fit into my speaker, I can just go ahead and plug it like so. And if your speaker is like that of this soundbar that actually has a smaller headphone jack over here, you can basically see the headphone jack over here. You can just go ahead and plug it directly to the headphone jack on your speaker. Now you want to come over to the back of your monitor and connect the other end of the headphone jack to the headphone port on your monitor. You can basically see the headphone port on my monitor over here. So I can just go ahead and plug it to the headphone port like so. Now once your monitor and your speaker are now being connected using the aux cable, you can now play any video or audio from your monitor and it will definitely come out from your speaker. But it is also important to know that if you're using a digital speaker like this one that has different modes like Bluetooth and the rest of it, then you want to make sure that you set your speaker modes to aux, that is AUX. So you want to make sure that you set the speaker input to aux, or else it will not work properly for you. I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.